Adjective Clauses Unveiled. Enhancing your English proficiency. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're delving deeper into the realm of adjectives and adverbs, specifically focusing on adjective clauses. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what adjective clauses are, how to identify them, and how to use them effectively in your sentences. Let's get started. So, what is an adjective clause? An adjective clause is a group of words that work together to describe a noun. It's also known as a relative clause, because it is usually introduced by a relative pronoun such as who, which, that, whom, where, or when. The key is that an adjective clause always modifies, or tells us more about, a noun or pronoun in the sentence. Here's an example. The book, which is on the table, is mine. In this sentence, the adjective clause, which is on the table, modifies the noun, book. It's giving us more information about the book. Now, let's create our own adjective clauses. The process is simple. You just need to think about what extra information you want to provide about the noun or pronoun in your sentence. For example, let's take a simple sentence. I enjoyed the movie. We can add an adjective clause to provide more details about the movie. I enjoyed the movie that we watched last night. In this sentence, the adjective clause, that we watched last night, modifies movie, providing more details about which movie is being referred to. Remember, avoid common mistakes when using adjective clauses. One typical mistake is misplacing the adjective clause, which can lead to confusion. Always place the adjective clause immediately after the noun it modifies. Here's a wrongly structured sentence. I have a dog in my house that barks loudly. This sentence could confuse readers into thinking that the house barks loudly. Instead, you should write, I have a dog that barks loudly in my house. In this corrected sentence, it's clear that the dog is the one that barks loudly. That's all for today's session on adjective clauses. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of this important aspect of English grammar. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try creating your own sentences using adjective clauses, and soon you'll become a pro at it. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we will explore adverb clauses. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.